My driving history is fairly good. I can't remember the last time I had an at-fault accident, and I don't believe I have any tickets on my record. So as a driver, I'm fairly low risk.
We're here in View Park. It's a hilly, quiet neighborhood up above South LA. And we're here because my reporting on auto insurance showed that this was one of the neighborhoods that was being charged much higher rates by many insurers than is really warranted by the risk in this neighborhood.
Our zip code, it's a very diverse zip code. It has residents at a lot of different socioeconomic statuses. It has properties at various values, some of modest values, some of a lot higher values.
Insurers have long said that yes, you might notice that rates are often higher in inner cities, in predominantly minority neighborhoods, but what you don't know is that that's truly a reflection of the risk in those neighborhoods. And what we did was we looked at the true risk in all of the neighborhoods in California. What was really surprising was that the predominantly minority neighborhoods that California designates as underserved, those areas are getting hit with prices by many of the insurers that are very high.
My family and I moved from Woodland Hills to V Park. Once I moved here, I called my insurance agent, and she said that the only thing that was going to go up was my car insurance. And she wasn't quite sure why, and she asked, like, where did I live, and was it heavy traffic? And I said, no, it's very quiet around here, so I couldn't figure out why it was going up. My conclusion was probably because I live in a predominantly African-American neighborhood.
It's just interesting. There's things that happen and you think, wonder why that is. And you realize our community is different. There are professional vendors and contractors that when they get the book out and they look, there were people that would not come here.
Since the 60s or 70s, basically, insurance companies phased out the use of race in their calculations. They used to actually ask people, and then in the civil rights movement, everyone decided that was a bad idea. So they don't ask people what their race is. But this neighborhood is a predominantly minority neighborhood, and despite its wealth, being overcharged. And so you can't help but wonder if this is a legacy of the redlining that used to occur, where neighborhoods like this were considered uninsurable.
Given the amount of resources these insurance company has in terms of the wealth of data, the sophistication of the algorithms, to say that it's a zip code, to me that's a cop-out. And ultimately, people will ask, why us? We're just hardworking people trying to raise our families.